Hello friends, welcome to learn Coreldraw. Today we are going to learn counter effect. Okay, it is very interesting effect. Suppose here we draw something. Here is the circle, and if you want to take a counter effect of this, then just click on counter, and you can take a number of offset. If you uh, simply drag this handler, then you can get a number of offsets like this. Okay, you can also choose here where you want offset from center, inside counter or outside. Okay, you can create counter of any object. You can also take counter of text. Suppose here we fill it with color. Okay, after that just remove the outline of this shape, and now let us take a counter. Here you can take a counter, just zoom it and see the effect. Here layers are appear like this. Here also it will create a offset. You can also choose here color. Suppose here we take another color, then it will display the layers. Okay, as well as I said, you can take counter of text also. Let us bold it with the help of area black. You can also fill it with color, or let us create a fountain fill. Let us take here RGB pattern. If you want to present it digitally, then you simply take a RGB pattern. Okay, after that here is white color, and here again go to others, go to RGB and click on a green color. Okay, you can also take a dark color. Okay, okay, now let us make a counter. Go to counter and click on counter. Okay, like this you can make a counter of text also. Here also you will appear layers. Let us keep this handler, drag it back, it will display the layer. If drag it forward, then it will display the layer, but layers are very small. Like this you can create a counter of different things. Okay, the concept is very simple. You can use this counter as per the requirement. In some shape, counters may look like different, like this. Suppose here we use star shape, then again apply the counter like this. This shape is appear. You can also make, before using counter, give the line color. Okay, and then after that make a counter like this. You can here also change the color. Okay, suppose we copy paste it and rotate it like this. You can use this effect for designing any type of logo, brochure or visiting card. Okay, and whenever you take a print of this, then this effect is clearly display. Here is the very simple tool, counter. Thank you for watching the lecture. We will continue in next lecture.